busy. Listen, I think Patuglia is a rat. I was thinking more about it, and I didn't put it in the review. But when she did I didn't see it, but she did a carousel with Wes, and at the end says, "I care this much." She's like, they're not related. That's insulting to me, you, and everybody else.
I agree. It was a mess, and I'm so excited for the bonus episode.
That was.
Did you see that there's a bonus episode next week?
I thought they showed it right after.
No, one's coming out next week about like them.
But isn't it just in the city?
No, it's different, I guess. But in the city's like I've been tuning in just for the drama.
Yeah, I haven't
not
seen.
great.
Yeah, so I haven't watched In the City.
Yeah.
So I don't understand what they mean by a bonus episode.
It's just, I guess it's just Lindsay and Amanda talking, and then Kyle and Wes talking.
Yeah, I knew
like
Kyle and Wes.
extended.
But they're just gonna say whatever they want to hear. They're sociopaths.
Yeah, they're scary.
Yeah, scary
No,
people.
it's a mess. It's a mess. But I had to ask you.
Yeah,
Nice
there
to
you
meet
go.
you.
Not you too.